And in all credit to Craig, he's being a bit modest. Because
polar plumes, as you know, Steve, are these tall jets of gas that come out of the poles of the sun. The sun is surrounded by an extremely hot atmosphere that's at about 1,000,000 degrees Celsius, which is really a mystery because the surface of the sun, which is what you see when you look at it, is about 5,000 or actually closer to 6,000 degrees Celsius. So these structures rise out from the poles where the gases aren't confined by the magnetic field, and we've seen some really interesting new views of them. Novel on this study.
Okay, thanks, Craig. And of course, the color pictures, you see all of the movies that you'll see today.
They're really a laboratory for understanding what's heating the solar corona. If we don't really understand why that gas, where there's not that much magnetic activity going on, if we don't understand why that's at 1,000,000 degrees and up, we don't really understand anything about how the corona is heated or about how the solar wind is accelerated. So these images have really given us some new insight into how plumes are accelerated.
More about that. Brendan burned this solar wind and these other things that lift off the sun, and some of them get to the Earth. Then what happens?